Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Profits. 1-6 and C3, bitch.
Yo,
What's up? Okay. Kush and Perp and Dro, I'm gone. We drink, we smoke, we roll and bones. A couple rounds of drinks in a Vegas straight to the dome. Step up out the club, I'm lucky if I make it home. Kush and Perp and Dro, I'm gone. We drink, we smoke, we roll and bones. A couple rounds of drinks in a Vegas straight to the dome. Step up out the club, I'm lucky if I make it home. I said I smoke with all of my niggas. We done got a hold of that perp. Kush from California for dinner and pussy for dessert. I hit my nigga Green, when he call my nigga Kush. We be fly like them birds. You can never overlook us. Niggas want some of that beef shit, then I guess I'll be the butcher. Man, them niggas just mad. I probably blew a little weed with they sisters. Turn on that usher and pop that pussy like a gusher. Pockets on fat, shit remind me of Precious. If them niggas talking guns, I draw 'em like etch-a-sketches. A lot of y'all don't wanna try me, cause you don't need a stretcher. Homeboys get up, we knock them down like Tetris. Die you stupid bitch, that's word to my exes. C3 bitch, it ain't hard to notice me. I smoke a lot of weed and get more ass than the toilet seat. About to roll a biggie, motherfucker, it's another one. Hit that bitch 3 times, then get my brother smoke so much weed that I probably need another lung. Talk shit, nigga, then we taking out your only tongue. Oh, you niggas mad, cause she chew us like bubble gum. Smoke some more weed and forget about what I done. Kush, Perp, Dro, and I'm gone. Smoking on some shit, I don't know where it's from. I don't give a fuck, I'ma take it to the dome. My nigga Kush gave it to me, he told me he had it at home, Dad. Kush and Perp and Dro, I'm gone. We drink, we smoke, we roll and bones. A couple rounds of drinks in a Vegas straight to the dome. Step up out the club, I'm lucky if I make it home. Kush and Perp and Dro, I'm gone. We drink, we smoke, we roll and bones. A couple rounds of drinks in a Vegas straight to the dome. Step up out the club, I'm lucky if I make it home.
yeah, I step up in the club looking fresh to death. Lime green dripping from a chain with an emerald on my neck. She told me I'm the best. I told her, yeah, I knew that. Take a hit and cocky. Smile from the snow cap. Cops posted at the door, security on the lookout. But I roll another blunt because we raising up the head count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blunts in rotation, got another one lit. But I keep it to myself, I only share it with the honeys. You asking me what time it is, it's always 4:20. Get the money and I'm out, headed to another club with a mob right behind me and they all showing love. 1-6 to the sky, yeah, that's what's up. All my profits in the club getting faded as fuck. So let me get another round, my buzz is losing its high. A couple bitches later, bitch, I'm cruising the sky. Black and green all day with the strange on the jersey. Blast the scene with a blunt, vision getting blurry. Black green in my cup, because I'm feeling thirsty. Going in with no mercy, breaking wishbones and carving turkeys. It goes Kush, Perp, Dro, I'm gone. We breaking down the blunt and we popping up the zone. So as you can probably see, I'm the smoking champion. I think I fell in love because the weed is one I'm pampering.
Kush and Perp and Dro, I'm gone. We drink, we smoke, we roll and bones. A couple rounds of drinks in a Vegas straight to the dome. Step up out the club, I'm lucky if I make it home. Kush and Perp and Dro, I'm gone. We drink, we smoke, we roll and bones. A couple rounds of drinks in a Vegas straight to the dome. Step up out the club, I'm lucky if I make it home.
Look, Bacardi and Captain make it happen in the backseat. Blowing switches, taking shots, go kill another fat beat. Party to the morning, ain't no rest for the wicked. And my cup is feeling empty, fill it up, we getting twisted. Round after round, no, we ain't gonna stop. We smoking and drinking straight up to the top. Sipping and slurring, my vision is blurring. We leaving the club and we ducking the cops. Ha! Like it or not, we really do this. And all these dudes that thinking that they hot are looking clueless. Flash, I'm doing 90 on the dash in just an instant. The flows just keep on coming, they won't stop cause it's persistent. Chillin' with my homie C3, make your bitch say OMG. Staring at the tats, got her wetter than the sea. Kush, Perp, that's what we be on. Got Dro, smoke, leaking from the bong, taking shots and drinking beer. Homie, let's just make this clear. It's a profits fucking year, and we're a presence you should fear. See me up on stage, got the whole crowd's hands up. You ain't got support, dog, you need to get your fans up. Cause we got ours, best believe my profits go hard. We party, 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 and pass out in the yard. Look, and if you can't hang, go ahead and wave that white flag. I get what I want, don't give a fuck about a price tag. The best things in life are already free. So add a bottle and some weed and I got everything I need. I'm on that
Kush and perp and dro, I'm gone. We drink, we smoke, we roll and bones. A couple rounds of drinks in a Vegas straight to the dome. Step up out the club, I'm lucky if I make it home. Kush and perp and dro, I'm gone. We drink, we smoke, we roll and bones. A couple rounds of drinks in a Vegas straight to the dome. Step up out the club, I'm lucky if I make it home.
Green. Man, I can't get up lit or drinks above and to the brim. I am a sinner, grinning gorilla under the skin. Yo, bartender, can I get a drink? Make it two with a whole round for my man. Sipping all night, tipping back, high life and shots of Jaeger, trolling head. I am an animal, I'm looking for a model broad. I swear Orlando though, and I don't care about the cost. She like a real man with a plan and real ambition. She want a gentleman, smooth talking but willing to listen. For what you talking about, you can't even define a boss. You think you poppin', but compared to us, you're at a loss. Check this shit, review this shit, learn how real motherfuckers do this shit. Got a loose screw mix with a crew legit enough to turn a rock to soft. Kush and perp, then dro, I'm gone. Put in work, went on the road. Hit the club, they minds are blown. Dude got a nerve to check me first round here, you better watch your tone. I'm on the fucking stage, your ass just sitting at the bar. Yeah, your girl, she feeling me, but I'm busy, G, I'm living large. You come to my show, all in your chest, you acting hard. Better lie low, keep your composure, bitch, I told you I'm the star. Yeah, you bitchin' running list, remember I ain't trippin' though. I got tracks that kick the shit out anything you ever wrote. I got love for all the artists, keeping it 100, so I dedicate this song to you. Raise your glasses and it goes.
Kush and perp and dro, I'm gone. We drink, we smoke, we roll and bones. A couple rounds of drinks in a Vegas straight to the dome. Step up out the club, I'm lucky if I make it home. Kush and perp and dro, I'm gone. We drink, we smoke, we roll and bones. A couple rounds of drinks in a Vegas straight to the dome. Step up out the club, I'm lucky if I make it home.
Kush and perp and dro, I'm gone. We drank, we smoke, we roll and bones. A couple rounds of drinks in a Vegas straight
To the dome.
Step up out the club,
I'm lucky if I make it home.
Kush and perp
And dro, I'm gone.
we drank,
We smoke, we roll, then bone.
couple rounds of drinks
In a Vegas straight to the dome. Step up out the club,
What up,
lucky if I
Prop?
make it home, bitch.